Hey guys, in this video we demonstrate how to create and run a parallel agent where a single user request is processed by multiple specialized agents simultaneously. The process begins by importing the necessary classes. Agent is the fundamental building block for creating a single instruction-driven AI agent. Next, the ParallelAgent class is imported. This specialized agent acts as an orchestrator, designed to distribute a single task to multiple sub-agents and execute them all at the same time. A variable model is defined to specify which language model will power the agents. In this case, it's Gemini 2.0 Flash Lite. The first sub-agent, Python agent, is created. This agent is configured as a Python specialist. Its instruction gives it a clear role to create clean Python functions and include docstrings. The output key specifies that its generated code will be stored under the key pycode. The second sub-agent, JS agent, is created. This one is a JavaScript specialist. Its instruction is to create a modern ES6 JavaScript function using arrow syntax. Its output will be stored under the key JS code. The root agent is defined using the ParallelAgent class. This agent serves as the main entry point and orchestrator. It doesn't have its own instructions. Its sole purpose is to manage its sub-agents. The key to parallel execution is the sub-agents parameter. It is assigned a list containing the Python agent and the JS agent. When the root agent receives a request, it will forward that same request to both of these sub-agents to be processed in parallel. With the agents defined, the developer opens a terminal to launch the application. The command ADK Web with parent directory is executed. This command starts the Agent Development Kit's built-in web server, providing a user interface for testing and interacting with the defined agents. The developer opens a web browser and navigates to the local server address. This is the Agent Development Kit's debugging and testing UI, where you can interact with your agents in a chat-like interface. From the list of available agents, the developer selects Agent 04 Parallel, which corresponds to the root agent defined in the code. A prompt is typed into the message box. Create a simple function that calculates the days between two dates. This prompt will be sent to the root agent. As soon as the prompt is sent, the UI immediately shows two separate responses being generated simultaneously. The root agent has successfully passed the prompt to both the Python and JavaScript specialists, and they are generating their respective code solutions in parallel. By clicking on the JS Dev agent in the trace, the developer can inspect the raw data for that specific interaction, including the exact prompt sent to the model and the full, unprocessed response received from it. Similarly, clicking on the Python Dev agent reveals the details of its execution, showing how it independently processed the same prompt to generate the Python code. This detailed view is invaluable for debugging and understanding the behavior of each individual agent within a complex system. That's it! Now you understood how ParallelAgent with Google ADK. Please subscribe to our channel for the latest updates, insights, where data engineering meets AI.